Hey everyone, welcome back to Carreview Hub 2025. The automotive world has just been shaken again, and this time it's by none other than Bugatti. The French hypercar legend has unveiled the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. And trust me, this is not just another car. It's a masterpiece that blends tradition, future technology, and jaw-dropping performance into one breathtaking machine. Today on Carreview Hub 2025, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Bugatti Tourbillon, from its stunning exterior to its mind-bending performance figures, advanced technology, and of course, the price tag that will leave you stunned. When you first lay eyes on the Bugatti Tourbillon, the immediate reaction is awe. Bugatti has always been known for pushing the limits of design, and this car is no exception. Its styling is evolutionary, yet revolutionary. The sleek silhouette stays true to Bugatti's DNA with that iconic horseshoe grille at the front, but it's sharper, more aerodynamic, and built with an emphasis on airflow management. The front fascia is low, aggressive, and sculpted with precision, channeling air perfectly over and around the car. The headlights are futuristic, slim LED units that integrate beautifully into the design, giving the Tourbillon a piercing gaze. From the side, you see a sculpted body with muscular haunches and that signature Bugatti curve flowing elegantly toward the rear. At the back, the full-width LED light bar and the huge active rear wing scream performance. Available in a variety of bespoke colors, the Tourbillon looks incredible in shades like deep midnight blue, jet black, or Bugatti's signature French racing blue. The wheels are massive, lightweight alloys designed not just for style, but also for cooling the brakes and optimizing aerodynamics. Everything about the exterior tells you this is not just a car, it's a piece of art moving at supersonic speed. Step inside and you realize Bugatti has taken the word luxury to an entirely new dimension. The interior of the 2025 Tourbillon is a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation. The dashboard is minimalistic yet futuristic, built with premium materials like polished aluminum, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather. There's a strong focus on the driver, with every control designed for intuitive use. The steering wheel is compact, with integrated controls for drive modes and performance settings. The seats are sculpted for comfort during long drives, but also supportive enough for high-speed track runs. They are wrapped in the finest leather, with options for personalization that let buyers design their dream cockpit. The infotainment system is a hidden gem. It remains tucked away when not needed, maintaining the clean look of the interior. When activated, it provides seamless access to navigation, performance data, and connectivity features. Cabin space is of course tight, it's a hypercar after all, but Bugatti has cleverly included small storage areas for essentials, making it slightly more practical than you'd expect. Overall, the interior is a true blend of comfort, exclusivity, and cutting-edge design. But let's be honest, what really sets the Bugatti Tourbillon apart is what lies under the skin. Performance here is simply on another planet. At the heart of this hypercar is a revolutionary hybrid powertrain. Bugatti combines a naturally aspirated V16 engine with electric motors, delivering a total system output of around 1,800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,800 horsepower. Torque figures are equally staggering, providing blizzarding acceleration that launches the Tourbillon from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. The top speed? Well above 270 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. The transmission is a lightning-quick dual-clutch automatic that delivers seamless shifts, while the suspension system uses advanced adaptive technology to keep the car composed whether you're cruising through the city or pushing limits on the track. Despite its outrageous power, the hybrid system allows for a short electric-only range, offering improved efficiency when you want a quieter, cleaner drive through urban environments. It's the perfect balance of brute force and modern responsibility. Bugatti hasn't held back on technology and safety either. The Tourbillon features the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for easier maneuvering. Connectivity is top-notch, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bugatti's own connected services for performance tracking and vehicle diagnostics. There's also a head-up display that projects key performance data directly in the driver's line of sight, ensuring you never take your eyes off the road. Safety is paramount, with carbon ceramic brakes, advanced traction control, and multiple airbags integrated seamlessly into the design. It's remarkable how Bugatti has blended hypercar insanity with modern-day usability. Now let's talk about the price and trims. The 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon doesn't come cheap, and it isn't meant to. With a starting price estimated around $3.8 million, this car is reserved for the ultra-wealthy few. Bugatti will offer it in highly limited numbers with extensive customization options, allowing buyers to tailor everything from exterior finishes to interior stitching. Each Tourbillon is essentially a one-of-one creation, making it as much a collectible as it is a driving machine. So what's the final verdict on the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon? This car isn't just transportation. It's a statement, a dream, and a symbol of human engineering at its absolute best. It blends breathtaking beauty, insane performance, futuristic technology, and unmatched exclusivity into one package. If you're one of the lucky few who can afford it, the Tourbillon is more than just a car. It's an experience that will define hypercars for the next decade. That's our in-depth review of the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. What do you think? Has Bugatti once again created the ultimate hypercar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Carreview Hub 2025 for more detailed reviews of the hottest cars on the planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.